Natraja, the dancing form of Lord Shiva, combines in a single image his roles of creator, preserver, and destroyer of the universe. This form of Lord Shiva first appeared in Indian temple sculpture in around 6th century, but the familiar bronze sculptural representation was developed in the 10th century by the artists of the Chola kingdom. The cosmic dance of Shiva, known as the Tandav, is a pictorial allegory of 5 principal manifestations of eternal energy that are creation, destruction, preservation, salvation, and illusion. Nataraja's dance of creation and destruction has been somewhat of a metaphor for modern physics since the 1970s, when an American physicist, Fritjof Capra, used it to describe the field's relationship with the cosmos. In his book, The Tao of Physics, published in the year 1975, he asserts that every subatomic particle not only performs an energy dance, but also is an energy dance, a pulsating process of creation and destruction without end. For the modern physicist then, Shiva's dance is the dance of subatomic matter. As in Hindu mythology, it is a continual dance of creation and destruction involving the whole cosmos, the basis of all existence, and of all natural phenomena. The most astounding aspect of the book is that it corroborates Eastern world's interconnection of the entire objects in the universe, animate or inanimate, and the rest. Capra writes, the Eastern mystics see the universe as an inseparable web, whose interconnections are dynamic and not static. The cosmic web is alive, it moves and grows, and changes continually. Modern physics too has come to conceive of the universe as such a web of relations, and like Eastern mysticism has recognized that this web is intrinsically dynamic. In the year 2004, a 2-meter statue of the dancing Lord Shiva was unveiled at CERN, the European Council for Nuclear Research, in Geneva. A special plaque next to the Shiva statue explains the significance of the metaphor of Shiva's cosmic dance, with a quote from Capra. Hundreds of years ago, Indian artists created visual images of dancing Shivas in a beautiful series of bronzes. In our time, physicists have used the most advanced technology to portray the patterns of the cosmic dance. The metaphor of the cosmic dance thus unifies ancient mythology, religious art, and modern physics. Even science now agrees that the seers of Indian subcontinent had seen the higher truths, the signs of higher dimension and subtleties.